Home Show.
Judy from Pasadena has a question about being unalarmed.
Well, yeah. What happened is she got 2 windows replaced last week, Tom, and now her alarm doesn't work. Here's a clue. Judy writes...
Here's the clue. I see the clue.
when the installer...
They didn't wire it up.
Well, that's right. When the installer pulled the left window out, the white security system wire is broken. Now I can't activate my alarm. She says, is this something that she should call the window company back on, electrician, or who?
You know... If you're dealing with a really good window company, such as like one of our certified home show pros, Gulf Coast Windows,
yeah,
maybe. But the bottom line is, yes, they should take care of everything. It's not that difficult. It's a low voltage wire, kind of like a doorbell, and you have the little fittings that go and supposed to go back. And when I used to build homes, we would just, they would wire them, and then they would just leave the wire hanging out until they put the little gizmos, I'll call them, back in.
The little magnets, yeah.
Yeah, the magnets, exactly. Right. So, yeah, of course they should take care of it. But this is what happens when people go to a company that probably is not as professional as they should expect.
Well, when we had our windows done at our house, one of the things the people from Gulf Coast Windows, the installers, came around and they asked us point blank, are you going to keep this alarm system or are you going to go with a different system? And I said, absolutely. And so when they put the windows in, they very carefully left those wires there. Now, I'll tell you, they left the wires, but we had to have the alarm company come and reset the magnets. But that's what they are. The sensors are actually magnets. Yeah. They get into a range of each other and know that the other one's there and know the window's closed.
Yes.
But yeah, so that's absolutely the drop ball on the window.
But from what I'm looking at this picture, the wire's all over the place, and nobody seemed to care when they put the window in. But as far as that goes, also, you're right. People hire a alarm company to monitor, to do a lot of different things with their security systems today. And quite frankly, a lot of security systems today are wireless.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we went to wireless sensors with a bunch of our
Did
windows,
you?
So, yeah.
Yeah.
So, anyway. All right, you got a question? Tom will help you out. Bottom line, by the way, is Judy, go call the window company, get the wires put back where they belong, call the alarm company, get them hooked back up to your system. There you go. You got a question? Tom and I can help you out. Go visit HomeShowRadio.com, click on the Ask Tom button, fill in the form, send it in, and we'll put in a video just like this on our Facebook page, our YouTube channel. If you found our YouTube channel, by the way, if you would, do us a favor, go there, subscribe, and click the bell. That way we'll let you know when we post a new video.